Hello kids, welcome to our fun learning channel. Today we will learn simple essay on myself. So take your notebook and write with me. Are you ready? Okay, let's start. My name is Yashna. I am 8 years old. I study in 3rd standard. I have a younger brother. He is very cute and I love him. My father is caring and hardworking. My mother is very loving and kind. My school is nice and I like my teachers and friends. I like to play with my friends. I enjoy drawing and dancing. I like helping others. I do not like fighting. I'm very happy girl. Thank you.